Hey everybody out there in the YouTube world, it's your boy Dutch the Diesel Technician, man, back with another fun-filled, informative video today. I got this old Craftsman bent handle wrench, and I sometimes use it because of the angle that it has to get down on hard to reach places. But I noticed when I turned the gear, it's a little loud, and it doesn't sound like any grease is inside of it. Cause I'm gonna go get one that's like it, right? Show you how it's supposed to sound. See, I have another one here. This one never been used, it just sits in my toolbox, brand new, right? But listen to this. See, this is a 1/2 inch ratchet. Well, it doesn't have that many teeth inside of it, but it's still supposed to sound smoother. Now listen to this one. Real different from this. So, I suspect that it's dry on the inside of this thing, man. So I'm gonna open it up and check it out. And if need be, we're gonna put some grease in it. So I'm gonna use my Craftsman USA made snap ring pliers. Yeah, I bought a lot of Craftsman stuff when I first started out being a mechanic, being as though it was affordable, and it worked. Bought all that other stuff later on, but started out with this. Just like I suspected, look at that. Not a lick of grease in sight on it, period. Look at that. Not a lick of grease inside that head. Dry as a bone. So, I'm gonna take this grease, a little grease gun, if you wanna call it that. Take the grease, a little grease. Get it in here on his head. Get it in there. Then take a little bit. And just dab it on the gear itself. Try to keep this thing greased up, man. I ain't gonna put a whole lot on it, but I do want it to be greased. Okay. And now, I'm gonna attempt to put it back in, greased up. Adjust the level. Gotta turn the level straight up like that. Get it back in. Take some finagling, finessing, get it back in. There you go. Got it back in there. Now, take the snap ring. Snap ring pliers. Squeeze it together. Drop it back in place. You really should have on goggles when you're doing this. I just do them a lot. But there you go. Snap ring back in place. Now let's see if the sound changed any. Look at that. Wow. Totally different. See, I can hear the grease working its way through. So, we got it greased up. And that's how you grease the heads of your ratchets. Keep them working for years and years. Thanks for watching. I'm Dusty D, the Technician. Y'all know my slogan. Subscribe, keep me alive.